the astrology coaching channel that does a deep dive into the planets and signs of the zodiac. Today's video coming into the Cancer-Leo cusp, running from July 19th to the 25th or 26th. Now, cusp people are the most interesting, and they are very powerful periods in the zodiac. And they're not only powerful each month, they're powerful in the realm of the cosmic cycle when you think about going from Aries to Pisces. So every week is a more mature version of the zodiac throughout the year. Cancer-Leo cusp incorporates late Cancer energy and or early Leo energy. We're combining the crab symbology along with the lion and the lioness. Fire and water creates steam. So people born on this cusp, it is not easy for them to regulate their ideas, their notions, or their emotions. Very much they can oscillate and they can have wild swings of mood and thoughts. One particular gentleman that I've coached in the last few years, and being right on the cusp, the last degree of Cancer, it's very hard for him in a lot of ways to regulate his feelings and his emotions in regards to work particularly. He struggles very much in finding stable employment, and he struggles in environments overwhelm him, or his feelings overwhelm the task at hand or overwhelm others in his environment. So regulation and balance are very important with Cancer-Leo cusp people. So you're going to be a late Cancer energy, which is ruled by Neptune and the moon, and then you're going to have a touch of Leo energy that's coming, which is the sun. If you're born July 23rd, 24th, 25th, you're beginning Leo, so your main energy is the sun. So you do have a need to expand and express yourself, but you'll still have some of the introversion and caution of a late Cancer decan person. These folks are emotionally exciting, so that could be a big positive. They're fun-loving, they can be very courageous, and they can be risk takers. So the Cancer part thrives on emotional excitement and connection. The Leo part thrives on applause, attention, and generally being protective of others, which is also in sync with their Cancer side. One notable celebrity that stands out year after year when I cover this material as a stellar example is Robin Williams. So of course, Robin Williams, the late great actor and comedian who we lost way too soon, was an impeccable, talented actor and comedian, probably underrated, and he had a sort of manic energy about him with the Cancer and the Leo being born directly right on that cusp. Now, his sun is very, very close to being the early Leo. He is not like, let's say, someone born on the 19th who is clearly a Cancer and has a few more degrees to go until Leo. So he incorporated and employed that perfect blend of water and fire, but he also had a lot of troubles and turmoil in his personal life. The number one lesson for Cancer-Leo cusp people is to even things out. Just because you even something out in your work life, personal life, or a hobby doesn't mean it's going to get boring. You may be afraid of things not being as exciting and thrilling. The sun and the moon energy there is God and goddess energy. It's yin and yang coming together. But you have to regulate that, and you have to thin things out. So trim the fat in your life so that you can get into your emotions that are positive, and then you can feed on or off of other people's positive emotions. I have weekly live streams, either Fridays or Saturdays at 8 p.m. on Astroscoop 3801 YouTube. So please join me. Until the next one, stay safe and be yourself.